Good morning. We are back. Oh, God. I'm tired. I had a long day yesterday. Did a lot of driving. I drove everywhere yesterday. Drove everywhere yesterday. It was wild. It was crazy. Good morning. We back. We doing it. First stream all week. What the fuck? PW ICT concepts? Yeah, baby. We're basically an ICT channel now. Basically. Right now, NASDAQ pushing up here. Push up to a high so far of 30,312. I guess there was obviously some news this morning, right? Yeah, 8:30 news came out. We had initial jobless claims, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate came out there 8:30. So, what a time to be alive. Good boy. Oh, where'd you go, chat? Where'd you go, chat? Chat, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Good morning. We're back again for another day, another dollar. Oh my Lord. Man, it was so funny last night. We ordered some pizza, and the pizza girl, she pulls up. She's like in a Subaru, and like the house that we live in out here, it's like up on a hill. And I said, "Oh, sorry about the hill climb." And she goes, "Oh, no problem. I got a Subaru." I looked at her and said, All right, Subaru, nice." She was so proud. That was that moment where she's been waiting to say it since she bought that Subaru. She was definitely a lesbian too. She bought that Subaru and she's like, "I can't wait for someone to ask me, what is that?" And I said, "It's a Subaru. No mountain, no hill, no dirt pile is too big for my Subaru." Oh man, living the dream, baby. Living the dream. We are living the dream. Yesterday went and looked at some houses in over by the beach area. Possibly go rent a house by the beach for a couple months just to get away from the desert. Change it up a little bit, see how that goes. Looking for also getting a warehouse at some point. Looking to get in a warehouse at some point to stream from. We'll see what happens. Right now, NASDAQ pushing up here. The overnight low here, a little bit of a double bottom, huh? A little bit of a double bottom down there, 29,820 area right now. The high, 30,324. Pretty big range here overnight. We popped through the Asia high with that NFP number there at 830. So, what a time to be alive. Going into market open here. We got no more news today, so all the news came out. I guess we do have there's like a little bit of 10 o'clock news, some factory orders, but nothing out of the ordinary to worry about. Nothing out of the ordinary. Right now, Tradify, by the way, is 40% off. 40% off with the bundle. What does that come out to? Let me look at this. I want to look at this. I want to look at this. Man. I think it's 40% off just for the first 5 accounts, maybe. For 5? Is it for the first 5 or is it for just 5 in general? 5 in general? 5 in general? Here's a 5 in general. 5-time uses. Okay, yeah. So you get 5-time uses. First 5. That's not bad. But the real question is it 5 uses or is it 5 accounts? You know? That's the question that I really want to know. Is it 5 uses or is it 5 accounts? Yeah, so 5 of the 50K growth accounts with Tradify right now are $400. You can get 5 of them for $400 with the code PW, not the code MBT, you know, obviously. But yeah, the 50K bundle, you get an extra $37 off, and it comes out to $412. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Patrick, what is the minimum for a flip day on Apex? I don't know exactly. I think there isn't a minimum, is there? I don't think there is a minimum. I might be wrong. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. $50 minimum? Okay, $50. Someone said SoFlo. Are you sure? I don't know. Are you sure? I don't know. By the way, Warbucks still 50% off. These guys are crazy over there, Warbucks. 50% off all Warbucks accounts. Cray Cray with like little Ray Ray. What is that? What does D Money say? Little Ray Ray? Little Cray Cray? Cray Cray with little Ray Ray. Right now, 30,130 area. Pulling back here into, this is that dotted line. This is yesterday's close, so. See what happens. Right now, pulling back here, looking to, I'll probably trade NVIDIA today on, or maybe, I don't know. Let me see, what's NVIDIA doing going into open here? I traded NVIDIA yesterday on Warbucks. What's crazy is we bought the dip yesterday on NVIDIA. Look at this. We bought the first 5-minute candle at open, we got long. And if you would have gotten long, at the bottom of the first 5-minute candle, we got long at the 193 level. It went all the way back up there to 199 in today. So, cray. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. We're getting ready here for market open right now. NASDAQ just kind of pulling back here. We got that dotted line down there is the previous day close. So, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Look at the daily chart real quickly here. So, kind of got like this going here, huh? Got this little trend line there. Yesterday's high 355 yesterday. The high today so far 30,130. So it's basically the final, it's the last day of the week here. Tomorrow is a holiday. We'll see how that affects the market today, if we get some more volatility or if we just get a grind of a day. Did we get a grinder? If you look hourly chart, if you just get rid of all the fucking everything on the chart here. Let's get rid of everything for now. Right? You can clearly see the hourly chart kind of putting in a higher low here, right? We had these lows pushed up, put in a higher low. So if we can basically push out of here, well, that would be the play, huh? Basically try to hold that overnight low. Try to push up. This is that Tuesday high, 30,571. We ain't far from all-time high still. 4-hour chart. Kind of see that higher low. We've been putting in higher lows here ever since we swiped these lows back there now. So futures trade till 12:45 tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna stream tomorrow morning, but the stock market doesn't trade tomorrow. Right now, 15-minute chart. Just going into open here. Patient, ready, watching. Anything's possible. I gotta be right back. I gotta use the restroom. God, every morning I drink caffeine and then I gotta go poop. Every fucking time. Man, oh man. ICT makes me go poop. If I have ICT in the morning, then I have to go to the bathroom. Bro does not wipe his butt? What? Why would I not wipe my butt? God. Some weirdos in the chat trying to they want to see me wipe my butt. All right, well, going into open here, we've got the VWAP down there. We had some news this morning. VWAP's right here. We're below that EMA for now, 14 EMA. We got to see what happens here at open. Dotted line there that we're watching right now, pulling back. We've got the overnight low down here that we can kind of keep as an area of interest. Obviously, we don't want it below that, but if we break below that, well, then it's the resort in Mexico that we went to. That was Gran Velas. Gran Velas was that. How was Six Flags? I don't know. I didn't go. I dropped Landon off at Six Flags and then I went and looked at houses. Is that fucked up? Is that I mean, all I would do is slow him down, you know? That's all I would do. I would just slow him down, so. We're getting ready here. Market open right now, my friends. The best deal in the history of deals is happening at warbucksbtc.com. I'm telling you, there has never been a better deal. And don't forget, we're giving away accounts every day. If you have not signed up already, you got about 40 minutes for the next sign up, or for the next winning. But look at this. Look at the price of the equities account. Wait, is it no longer 50% off? The fuck? Did we turn it off? Is the sale over? Is it over? Am I retarded? Wait, is the sale over? I'm confused. Yeah, I think the website is doing something different. All right, right now, NASDAQ getting ready here for market open. If you guys have not already hit that like button, you know what to do. You know what to do. Ginger said, hi, money bags. Who the fuck's money bags? All right, never mind. Sorry, I forgot to refresh the page. I'm an idiot. So yeah, Warbucks is 50% off still. Look at these prices. So the 150K account is normally $300. It is currently $150. If you see here, the 5K account, is $22. $22. Chat, $22. So, I mean, that's $22. That you can't even go to Chipotle for less than $22. You can't even go to Chipotle for less than fucking 20. That's right, $22. All in cost. That's everything. That's the whole. There's no activation fee. There's nothing. So, shout out to Warbucks right now, 50% off. I got a new truck. I'm always getting new trucks. Look at this truck. Someone's gonna congrats on the new truck. This is my truck for pulling trailers. We got a lot of work to do to it, but I got 4 of these now. 4 Super Duties. Just bought another black one. Got 4 total now. We're living the dream. Ginger went down and picked it up yesterday. Can you imagine Ginger driving this truck around? That's her new full-time ride. Her new full-time ride. Does Warbucks allow overnight trading? It allows overnight trading for cryptocurrency, but not for stocks. So, Ford should be paying you for advertisement. I agree. Intraday or end of day for that price? It's end of day. Do the rains hurt your stomach? That shit tears me up. What? The rains? Oh, the drink I'm drinking? I'm like, what are you talking about, rains? I don't know. I used to drink these in Hawaii, so. We'll see. Is Warbucks allowed in Lebanon? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, how much caffeine's in this? 300 milligrams of caffeine. Oh my God, we're gonna be off the fucking rocker today, boys. We're gonna be off the rocker. PW, do you know Wendy? I feel like this is a joke. I think you're setting me up for a joke here. Someone set me up for a joke. Someone that says, do you know Wendy? Oh man. Who the fuck is Wendy? I don't know her. All right, let's see what we got. We going up or down at open? Don't go over 500 a day or you'll get heart murmurs. Oh, I've done about 700 in one sitting, sir. Been doing it one sitting. I'm crazy like that. I'm motherfucking crazy like that, chat. I'm motherfucking crazy like that. I'm motherfucking crazy like that. Ooh, check out this video. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy. 50% off all accounts. Crazy. Look at that. Oh. Wee. Craziest. I saw there was another one, sick one. This is a sick one. This is a pro surfer, Nathan Florence. I think it's getting barreled right here. Oh my Lord. Craziest sale ever. This shit's sick. 50% off. It's crazy. Crazy. I'm pretty excited. Like I said earlier, I went to look at some houses yesterday. I think we found a house. Over in Newport area. Anybody live in Newport? Anybody live in Newport? Found a sick house right by the beach. Pretty dialed in. All right, we're getting ready here for market open right now. We got a poll in the chat. The poll was 70% up, 30% down, so let's go. PW, how did you get millionaire? I was a billionaire and then I became a millionaire. Newport, Florida. No, Newport Beach, California. You moving to Cali? Good luck with the taxes and gas. I'm not moving. We're just staying in California for a little minute. PW, do you own Warbucks? I own 50% of Warbucks. Someone said, show the house. I ain't showing you the house. You're going to rob me, you weirdo. Right now, going into market open here. We're pulling back. We got the dotted line being yesterday's close. Patrick, in Newport Beach, you cannot serve after 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. What? What does that mean? You cannot serve after 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Serve what? Serve drinks, alcohol? Hold on a second. You're telling me I can't serve alcohol between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. in Newport Beach? What am I gonna do? Oh, you can't surf? You're not allowed to surf between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. in Newport? Really? That's a rule? Who made that rule? I don't know what that, how does that, where does that, I don't even, where do you even find out that rule? NASDAQ still pulling back here into the VWAP now. I don't know about that rule. The lifeguards police it? Really? What's the reasoning for that? You can't surf between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Why is there a reason? How is that a rule? That doesn't make any sense. At the wedge. Here we go. Market is open. Here we go. Guess won't be doing much surfing. Won't be doing much surfing in Newport. The wedge. Is it only for the wedge or is it for the whole fucking beach? That's what I want to know. All right, we're pulling back here into open. We're right there at the VWAP. We got Nvidia pushing up here a little bit. All right, we got Nvidia pushing up. We got NASDAQ straight down here. Will we get this dip and then the rip? Possibly. I'm looking for a possible long here. Try to keep my stop at the bottom of that candle, maybe. Is this going to be the low? Is this going to be the low here? Let's try the long. Pretty big stop, but it's only 1 micro for now. We'll see about adding maybe, or we'll just let it squeeze up here. We're holding up right there at that VWAP for now, 5-minute chart. Got to see what happens. Still holding up here. We're good. We just want to, if we can hold this 50 area, squeeze straight up, be good. I'm gonna move my stop right there now. Let's see if we're gonna squeeze up. Can we squeeze? Up, 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 up. Stuck right there at the EMA for now. Just don't want to go through there for now. Coming back down, we might get stopped here. The fact that we got stuck there multiple times is not a good sign for the bulls. I'm giving it a second here. If we can't take out a hold this low here, well then we'll see what happens. But we got Nvidia trying to push up. Nasdaq's stuck here. Probably gonna take out this. I'm gonna move this stop back to this low and keep that plan for now. Try to add into this a little bit. Try to add right there. She's coiling up here. Coiling up, possibly. Possibly. Or it's just going to be a beautiful bear flag straight back down. VWAP chopping. VWAP chop. All right, I want to see us punch right through these highs here. Don't slow down there again, NASDAQ. Punch right through those highs. And then try to get up towards, you know, get up into here maybe. Punch it, baby, punch it. Looks really good. Get through 120, start to squeeze up here. I do like it. I do like it. That's 40 points so far. We can get some more though, I think. At least like 140s here. This 136 area to lock in some profit there. Oh my lord. Move it up a little higher, I guess. Oof. I want W's in the chat, please. W's in the chat. Thank you very much. Oh my God. Come on, NASDAQ. Pump it. Let me just get it right there. Take off. Oh my lord. Why's he got to do this to me? Why's he got to play hard to get? Why's he got to play hard to get, NASDAQ? Why's he got to play hard to get? All right, we're moving this final stop to break even. And we're going to see if we can't get up here towards the 200s next. We're going to go right here, right below 100, and then look for 90s here. Come on, chat. Let's get it. Let's get it right here, right now. Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it, pump it. Pump it, pump it. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on now. Keep it pumping. Keep it pumping. Okay, so that was almost 100 points there, by the way, chat. Almost 100 points up there to the 160s. If you didn't take profit, don't be mad at me. If you didn't jump in on the trade, if you got short at open, sorry about you. Don't fade PW. Don't fade me. Don't you fade me. Yeah, this might pull back and stop me out now. Let's see. I wanted more. I got a little greedy there. All right, stopped out for now. Just couldn't get that explosion. I was thinking that we could get a nice explosion. Maybe up to 250s or so, but probably going to just stop me out and then go right back up. Look at that. Classic, fucking classic bullshit. You got to love that. You got to love that, man. What a joke. Straight back up. All right, we're holding up there at the VWAP for now. If we get above this, you know, fucking 160 area, they got the high from earlier, the data candle high. Look at this pump right back up. You got to be, come on. All right, I'm trying to long here again. Fuck it, eh? Targeting 200 area now. 5-minute chart looks good, right? We're holding above the VWAP here. So I'm gonna look to try to add if I can. It's kind of just holding right there now. All right, I'm trying to add right there. Basically, ooh, straight back down now. I think this is an ad. Maybe. Nope. Yeah, we're out of that for now. Just straight back down. Chop, chop, chopping. Chop, chop, chopping. All right, down there to the lows for now. Will we just chop around down here is the question, or are we gonna go lower? Holding up at the 50s there, 50s, 60s. Got the 5-minute range still playing out, still holding here, so. And just massive chop there. Right back up again. Back to the hundreds again. That dotted line is the previous day close that we're kind of chopping around at right here. So got to see what happens. Just a big old chop fest. Getting stuck there below the hundreds again. I don't know. I mean, I think it's going to squeeze. I think it's going to squeeze. I don't know. I'm trying to see if we get a squeeze going here. Above this 100 area now. It might be too aggressive. We might be aggressive, but we'll see what happens. I like it. Hit that 150 area. I'm gonna look to kind of like add on this push up and then for sell into the breakout here. Still targeting that 200 level. Just a lot of chop right here for now, but we're holding up there at the VWAP. We're holding the kind of the lows down there, that 50 area, right back up. Can we pump through 150 now? Maybe not. Watch this 150 breakout possible. Get through that, we should go straight to 200s next. There we go. We're trying to pump it. Taking some profit here. Into this push. Going for that 200 push here. Come on, come on. So yeah, I mean, same thing that we said earlier, or I said yesterday, right? About this 5-minute, kind of like using that 5-minute low as your stop loss was probably the, you know, the safer play. So we got, man, chopped right back down. Right back down to the 120s again. Chop in here. We got the 15-minute range coming up here sooner than later. 15-minute candle right now, just chopping around. We got to get the fair value gaps on the chart here. All right, pulling back here once again. Let's go. Hunter just passed a lucid eval. Making that money, Hunter. Love to see it. Nice little push right back up off the 120s. We're still long here. I'm going to add here. Looking for more upside now. We do have a pivot point at 212 area. Chop in here now. Uh-oh. Five-star chop action. Amen, brother. Tomorrow's a holiday, so 3-day week. Market loves to get choppy. Market loves to get choppy. Might have to get out of this. If we can't hold hundreds, I'm getting out. So basically, if we can't hold this level here, I'm going to jump out for now. Yeah, it's not looking good here. Oh my God, save my life. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, pump it back up, baby. Pump it. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Yeah, the ES is making new highs, pushing on the ES. NASDAQ's just been weak, I feel like, this week. Oh my God. That was 2 points away from getting stuffed out. Oh my God. All right, come on. Give me some more though, NASDAQ. We got our 15-minute range set now. If we break out here, I think 200s is very easy. So that's what I'm targeting here now. 200 area, 212s, and then maybe more to the upside. Let's see if we can get it all the way up there. Yeah, we got a pivot point. I see it. There's a pivot point, that orange line, 219 area, 220. So we do have the 15-minute range now. We are set. This is our 15-minute range. So if we can break out here, I think this little high from earlier, that data high, 310 area, could be a potential push area, right? So trying to push out of this 15-minute range right now. We got a pivot point, and then we got more targets to the upside. So let's see what happens. Trying to stay alive in this volatility. Right now we are up from the 127s. We're long here on the NASDAQ. Trying to get a push, push, push. Push, push, push. Come on, baby. Can you take me higher? Take me higher. Higher, higher. Take some off. Oh, right there. Right there. Maybe. Maybe. You son of a bitch. Nvidia is still pumping. NASDAQ having some trouble here. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Right off the EMA again. Come on, pump it up there. Is this good profit, chat? Are you guys happy with this trade? Is everybody happy? Is the chat happy today? Are we going to get a lot of likes on the stream? Are you guys going to tell your friends? You know? Where are the haters at now? Where are the haters at now, chat? Benson said hold longer. Okay, Benson. Okay, Benson. Benson boy. Someone said they're happy as a pig in shit. I haven't heard that one in a while. For the guy that faded me earlier. He faded me. Faded me. Question, why not minis? I don't know, man. I just having some fun. If you want to trade minis, trade minis. If you want to trade micros, trade micros. I don't really have... There's not really any reason. Oh, that's almost 100 points now. Almost 100 points. There you go. That's 100 points now. Almost. Are we happy? Are we happy? I just want everyone to be happy, you know? I just want the chat to be happy with my performance here, okay? I just want you guys to be happy. Why is the chat not happy? If D Money was up 1,000, if he was up 100 points, it'd be like a god, it'd be the fucking, the confetti would be going off. I mean, it'd be crazy. Everybody'd be going just fucking crazy. They'd be like, oh my God, D Money. Oh my God, D Money. Look at D Money. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'd be saying, oh my God. Oh my God, D Money. That's what they'd be saying. You know they'd be saying that. You know they'd be saying that. I'm telling you, they'd be saying that. All right, that's over 100 points now. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Mic check, mic check. We're back in the fucking business, baby. Look at that pump. Where are we going right now, chat? Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. Can everybody just agree that I told you so? Can y'all just agree? Can we just agree that I told you so? Hold till 364. Somebody said, okay, well, I'll keep a runner for 364. I might even add if we pull back here. Nvidia pulling back here now. Looking at Nvidia on Warbucks. I might put a long on here with on Nvidia. What do you think? Try a long on Nvidia on this pullback here. 197s. All right, we're long on Nvidia. We'll see if we can get a push up towards the 200s today. Right now, Warbucks, you can trade stocks like Nvidia and all the other stocks out there. 50% off. You might need it after this trade. Oh no. All right, we got our stop loss set at the bottom of this range. We got the overnight kind of high set up there. So the trade is going. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens right now. Pushing up here. Looking really good right now. Look at this profit. Is this good profit? On micros too. Come on now. On fucking micros. All right, little pullback right here. We got that previous area there to watch. Right now, look at this Nvidia buy, though. That was looking nice. Nice little Nvidia buy here. Oh, my God. Are we going to make money here? Are we going to make money, Chad? Look at that. Come on. Pump it, baby. Come on. Pump it for daddy. If this thing pumps straight up, I'm fucking the best there ever was. There is nobody doing it like this, Chad. I mean, come on. Come on. Come on. He's a one-man band. He's a one-man legend. He's a legendary man. He's a legendary man. Right now, we're holding up here at the 220s. That's that pivot point right there. We got a little bit of a fair value gap. We're kind of bouncing off too. So we'll see. We'll see. Can we keep the party pumping? Can we keep the party pumping? Keep it pumping. Keep it pumping. In and out like Trout. Man, that's a rough one. He goes, ain't nothing like activating a funded and not noticing you traded the account and blowing it. Sir. That sucks. I feel for you. What kind of account was it, in and out? What kind of account did you blow? What prop firm? Which prop firm? I'm gonna help you out, bro. I'm gonna get you another account. Because I love you. I love you, okay? What you got? Tell me what prop firm it is. 50K Lucid. All right. Send an email to info@onlypropfirms.com. Make sure you prove that you're who you are, and we'll get you hooked up. We'll get you another 50K account. I feel bad for you. I feel bad for you. I feel bad for you. All right, a little bit of a pullback here on the NASDAQ. Nvidia holding up there for now. I might even like get crazy here and try to add. I'm going to add right there. See what happens. If we can bounce off this 200 level. Oh, that's nice. Don't you love when a plan works out? Don't you love that when a plan just works out, chat? Come on now, let's get it. Let's show the world, NASDAQ. Let's show the world how fucking good we are at what we do here. Let's show the world how good we are at what we do here, chat. Let's show them. Oh, don't do that. Don't pull back, NASDAQ. Come on. Patrick, I just lost 3.5 million. Can you give it to me too? Oh yeah, I got you. Just send a PayPal request. Send a PayPal request. I got you, buddy. Holding up there at the 200s for now. Can we bull flag out of here? I'm watching maybe if we break above 240 to add there. Kind of a bull flag breakout, right? If you're not long yet, that's kind of the spot to get long again above 240s here for continuation. The 5-minute chart looks really good right now. Look at the 5-minute chart. Big wick to the downside, pulling up here. There's a 2-minute chart, sorry. 5-minute chart, though. Looks really good to push. There's that 240 push. Do we add? Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to add. And then look to sell up here 300s. Keep this rocket going, NASDAQ. Well, that's 15 points off of that. If you took that long at the 240s, just saying, you know, just saying. More W's in the chat, please. More W's. We got the 10 o'clock candle about to open up here. If we look right now, hourly chart. That hourly high from earlier is 316, and then you've got this high from yesterday area. We're kind of breaking out. I mean, this is kind of like we broke out of this downward trend, right? Friday pump session. I mean, well, Thursday, early Friday pump session. It is America's birthday, by the way. It's America's birthday. By the way, look at this long that we took on NVIDIA right now. That's right. We're trading NVIDIA on Warbucks. You can trade stocks for as little. Guys, it's literally $22. $22. Make you holla. $22 make you holla, baby. All right, maybe a little bit of a pullback here on the NASDAQ now. We'll see what happens. I am long still. New hourly candle just opened. Need a little wick down before going higher, maybe. Little wick down before going higher, maybe. Oh, buddy, a little wick down there. There we go. A little wick down. Mike Jones, wick down. Wick down on it. Mike Jones, wick down. Mike Jones, wick down. Wick down. Oh, shit. Here we go. What's Tanner got to say today? Tanner Simmons just said, he just posted in the chat. He said he just passed 5 Tradeify 50K accounts, $1,000 times 4 Lucid live accounts, and $1,000 on a funded Next, and passed 2 more of those. Do it for the freedom. Do it for the USA. Wow. Tanner Simmons. This guy's on fire right now, chat. He's on fire. You gotta love it. You do have to love it. What a time to be alive. Big shout out to Tanner Simmons. Always coming through, leaving some love, showing the world what we can do here at the BDH. Hey, look at this pump on NASDAQ, right? Or on the NVIDIA. Don't you worry. Because there it is, chat. There it is. Like I said, NVIDIA pumping, baby. Come on. Are you surprised? Is anybody surprised right now? Is anybody fucking surprised? Look at this. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. I want W's. I want W's. By the way, I gave you guys a killer trade on NVIDIA yesterday and on today. So, you know, you gotta love it. You have got to love it, man. She's so close to getting filled there. We're also long on NASDAQ right now, so. Oh my God. Your skin looks good, sir. Whatever Botox or moisturizer you're using. Neither. I don't use moisturizer, sir. There we go. Locked it in. We bought 300 shares of NVIDIA down here in this bull flag. We sold it right there, 199. Congratulations, chat. Congratulations. Congratulations. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And don't worry, we're also still long in the Lucid accounts here. Come on. Do you guys not love me? Tell me you fucking love me, somebody. Tell me you love me, people. You gotta fucking tell me you love me, somebody. Someone's gotta tell me they love me right now. Somebody. Not only have we been long since the open, but we also just added to that trade as well, right? This is called textbook trading. This is called the #1 day trader on YouTube. This is called you're seeing it live. This is called we the biggest, we the largest. All right, we're looking for this 300 push. We'll see if we get it. NVIDIA went straight to the moon, by the way. NVIDIA went up to almost 200 after that push. Oh, my Lord. All right, a little pullback here. Getting a little greedy probably, but we'll see what happens. We need some pullback. 5-minute chart, we got a pivot point. We got it's almost a double top, but not all the way. We did push right up there to that first target of 280, 290 area. So I'm kind of looking just to see what happens here now. We've been taking profit on the way, so we're cruising right now. I think if we can hold this low here, push back up above 260, I'll add again. I'm trying to buy this dip right here, 220s now, and see if it's gonna bounce out of here. We're right there at that pivot point. The ES is still pushing. NASDAQ's trying to pull back, but see what happens. I think basically back above 260, we're going to through the 300s next. Just got to pull back a little bit before going higher. Market is playing with your emotions, bro. Oh my, please don't play with my emotions, market, please. Please don't do that. Please don't. Please don't do that. Please, NASDAQ, don't play with my emotions. Please don't play with my emotions, NASDAQ. Nice little push there off the 220s. You gotta love that. Beautiful little dip by there. If it does go to the highs again, we'll be sitting really pretty. Gotta see if we can get through. I think basically back above 260, another long comes in there. Or another bull flag setup. Are you sure we're gonna break out? I mean, I'm not sure of anything. We'll see. Never sure of anything. Just trading what we see in front of us. PW, you're still long? No. No, I'm not. I don't have a trade open right now. No trades for me. Just sitting here watching the market. No trades open. Yeah, no, yeah, we're just watching. Pulling back kind of into that 15-minute high, right? 15-minute range high. So I want to see what happens. Oh my Lord, down there 190s now. Gotta see what happens here now. If we're gonna bounce off that 15-minute range high, we need to kind of put in a higher low somewhere in this area now. Get this 5-minute candle just kind of pulling all the way back now. Hourly candle kind of putting in that wick to the downside. This is a pretty decent pullback. Got to see if we can find some support down here now. Good Lord. My stop loss is not break even. My stop loss is still lower. Just want to see what happens. This is a pretty drastic 5-minute candle straight back down. So someone in the chat, fucking Hypno got me. Hypno got me, man. He kept saying, come on, hold it till 360. Hypno, you motherfucker. You motherfucker, Hypno. 360, hold it. God damn it. I could have got out, but no. Hypno had to convince me to hold it till 360. It's always the chat's fault. Getting hot in here now. Oh god. Pretty decent pullback here for now, but I think we're kind of just tapping into this, you know. Hypno said, why is my stop so tight? Whoa. Hypno, what do you mean, why is my stop so tight? I'm still long, but you said to hold it till 360, and look, now it's pulling back. Now what do I do, Hypno? Hypno, what do I do now? Oh, you're about to be out now. God motherfucking damn it, you motherfucking fucking fuck. God. The chat is cooked. Fucking chat. Fucking chat. Fucking chat. Why did I not take profit? Because I was being stubborn. I thought we were gonna bust through the 300s there. That was not I should not have done that, but you look like Travis Bickle. Nice. Who's Travis Bickle? It's my fault. It's my fault. I'm kind of looking to see. We need to put another look at this 5-minute. This is what I want to see happen. If we can put in a higher low here, then we're fine. That was a lot of pullback just for nothing. So that was a lot of pullback to sit through for kind of silly. Just I don't know why. Should have gotten out there, but whatever. PW, would you suggest? PW, would you suggest quitting your job, my job, considering I'm starting to be profitable? If I had a 50K account, I would have made more than 120,000 in 3 weeks, but I don't have that kind of money, bro. I want to very clearly. I want to let's analyze everything that's wrong with this sentence. Can we analyze everything that's wrong with this question? And I'm not even trying to be a hater, but let's just talk about why this is such a fucking retarded question. All right, first off, you said, PW, should you quit your job considering that I'm starting to be profitable? What? You had one day of, you made money one day? You had one day of being profitable? You had one day of, you made money one day and now you consider yourself profitable? Motherfucker, You got to trade for years before you are profitable. This guy, Patrick, so I just started trading. I made 50 bucks the last couple days. I'm pretty sure it's time to quit my job now, right? Right? No. Are you fucking retarded? God, you mother, I'm gonna come over and slap you. Hey, gear shifter, I want you to quit. Just quit. Why would you quit your job in general? Why quit your job? Don't quit your job, dumbass. God, man. Don't quit your fucking job, man. God damn it, man. All right, Hypno, we're friends again. I like you again, Hypno. Good job. Don't quit your job. Don't quit your job, please. Please don't quit your job. Please don't quit your job. Honestly, don't quit your, please. Like I ask you as like a friend, you know, like a concerned citizen, don't quit your job. Don't quit your job, honestly. Why quit? People, you don't need to quit your job. Look at this guy just said he's making money for 1 year. So why quit your job? You know what I mean? Like, why quit the job? Why not work and trade and make money? Like, well, you know what I mean? Like, why put the pressure on yourself that you have to make only money from trading? I don't understand this theory, right? Like, what do you think you're gonna like gain from quitting your job? Like, you're gonna what? You're gonna day trade 12 hours a day? You know what I mean? Like, oh, I'm gonna day trade 12 hours a day. Quit his job because his job sucks? I mean, he said he doesn't have the money. He doesn't have a $50,000 account. The problem is, in that whole question, there was a lot of what ifs, you know? He's like, he said, that's not, you know, that's not actually like, for sure, that's not a fact. If you got to say, if I had $1 million, Patrick, I could be a millionaire. Well, no shit. Patrick, you know, like, no, don't do it. I don't know. I'm being honest. People don't want to hear the truth. Maybe I should tell everybody quit their job. You can become a day trader, make $1 million a day. I don't know. It's just, I would say it's better off. You're better off not quitting your job. You know, don't quit your job until you're like, man, I'm so rich. I'm so rich. All right, well, NASDAQ just chopping around here, 200s again. Why did I not? I was trying to figure out how to stop this guy from quitting his job, and now we're back to fucking break even again. Yeah, I mean, if I was you know what I would do? If you just now getting profitable, I would get another job. I'd get 3 jobs. I'd get 5 jobs. I'd get 10 jobs. I'd have a job for every motherfucking hour of the day. You know what I mean? I'd getting so many fucking jobs. Because those jobs, that's capital, right? You got to grow your capital. You know, you got to grow your capital. So get more jobs. That's what I'm saying. Get like 20 jobs. Get so many goddamn jobs you don't know what to do. Like, that should be your problem. Your problem should be, how many fucking jobs do I got? Not how many can I quit my job? All right, well, NASDAQ right back down again, 30,200, chop city here. Man, we really gonna give this all back. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I really don't want to give all this back, but here we are, about to give it all back. Back to the 150s again, middle of the 15-minute range, chopping. Chopping here. Yeah, what happens if you quit your job and give it all back? The job market sucks right now. That's bullshit. There's a lot of jobs out there. People just don't want to do the jobs that are out there. That's the problem. Man, did I really just give all this profit back and more? Terrible trading today. This is why I gotta stop, you know, I gotta stop with this bullshit that I get in this, like, I get in this mindset where I don't know why I don't take profit, because I'm like, well, it's gonna go higher, so I want to be cool and I want to show everybody how smart I am, and you know, like, it's just terrible trading when I do this shit. I had multiple times to get out of that trade for thousands of dollars in profit, and I didn't do it, so it's just stupid on my part. Right now, NASDAQ is pulling back here. It's good for the views. I know. I know. I know. It's great for the views. We live or we die. We'll live or we die by the views. Live or die by the views. I'm gonna try to add down here to see if we're gonna pop up out of here again. We're all in, basically. We're all in. Look at that. Sophia said they're hiring right now at the casino. Nobody wants to work. The casino's hiring. Double tap on the 300. I'm cooked. Oh man. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta say that, chat? Why you gotta say that? Everybody wants to be like me and make $1 million trading. Well, if only it was that easy, right? If only. If only. As you can see right now, it comes and it goes very quickly. It ain't easy. Apple was the best trade of the day. I mean, Nvidia printed. We made money on Nvidia in the Warbucks account. We got long on Nvidia earlier there at the 197s. Took it off up there at the 199 area. So we tried. Right now, NASDAQ back to the VWAP. This dotted line is the previous day close. Middle of the 15-minute range right now. So just chopping right back down to the middle of the 15-minute range. I cannot believe I did not take profit up there. What a fucking retard. Fucking retard. Chopping around at the VWAP. We got Nvidia kind of holding up at 199, but NASDAQ just not looking good here. Back to the 100s again. I got too confident. Yeah, no. I blame Hypno. It's all Hypno's fault. He told me to hold till 360. That was a terrible idea. Clearly. Don't listen to Hypno in the chat. It's my fault. It's not Hypno's fault. It's my fault. I get like fixated sometimes on a certain level for some reason. I don't know. It's just bad habits. Bad trading habits, basically. Bad trading habits. Take profit. Don't fucking let a 100-point trade come back to break even and then stop you out. Like, that's just very terrible. Very terrible. Look at that. Straight back down now. So those accounts are about to be gone. Oh, Lord. There's a little bird looking at my window right now. What are you doing, bird? You got my bug. Huh? Little birdie got a bug. Little bird got a bug. All right, we're bouncing off the previous day close, that dotted line down there, but we got to see what happens here. ES is, look at how the ES is so much more strength than the ES right now. ES is holding that pivot point. It broke above the 15-minute range. It's holding at the top of that 15-minute range. NASDAQ's kind of like gave it all back, pulled all the way back into the middle of the 15-minute range. So just not really any clear direction right now. And chop around here, 30,000. Why do you not switch to the ES when it's going up? I mean, I don't know. I trade the NASDAQ. It's just easier to trade one thing. Trying to go back and forth between the NASDAQ, the ES, and all that constantly, like, I don't know. You'll just end up chasing price action, honestly, is what I feel, at least. I try to not give myself too many options, basically. Too many options is normally not a good thing. Try to keep it simple. Keep it as simple as possible is normally the best idea for me. I mean, even sometimes, like, I even fuck myself because I look at the ES and I'm like, oh, look, the ES is breaking out. That means the NASDAQ has to break out too, you know? So, yeah. We live and we learn. We learn and we live. Or we live, I don't know. Something like that. There's some kind of story here. Yeah, no, I'm about to get stopped out here. Fuck, man. I literally, what a dumbass. Y'all are seeing it live. Don't be stupid. Gave all this back and more. For what? For the hype. For the YouTube hype. Alright, we're stopped out. It's over. We were literally up $1,500 in each of these accounts. Just, that was really just bad trading there. For what, you know? For what fucking reason? Black Magic Trading says, please get a proper barber. Hey, Black Magic, have fun in the VIP room for the rest of your life. Don't email me. Don't fucking call Ginger and be like, can I please be back in the chat? Can I please go back in the chat, please? Nope. You gone, bro. Yeah, that was just fucking stupid, man. Really just bummed about that. Bummed about that, you know? That was a just really poorly executed trade. I don't know how the fuck I went from being up $1,500 to being in the red on that trade. Really just terrible. NASDAQ right back down to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Dump fest. Straight down 30,000s again. Wow. You got a huge move up, move right back down to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Are we going to bounce? Blame it on micros? Yeah. I don't know. Look at this swipe now. 30,000s. I'm going to try a bounce. See if we get a bounce off this. Off that swipe there. We just went straight down, but maybe we keep going lower, I guess. I don't know. Oh, God. We just took out the 15-minute range low, just straight down. Now, oh, yeah, still straight down. Catching the knife here. Come on, knife. Pay me the knife. getting cut here. Getting cut. Don't try to catch the fallen knife. Yeah, don't try it. Don't try it. We're trying it. It's going for low of day. You mean the overnight low? Overnight low, 8:30 area, maybe. I think it'll push back up here first, though. I'll be looking for like a retest of 30,000 from here. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, come on. Give me a little rippy rip out of here. You know that if I would have gotten short right here, we would have popped back up. You already know that. Like, so stupid. 100%. If we would have got long, if we would have got short down here, it would have ripped back up 100 points. You already fucking know it. Like, you gotta fucking love it. You gotta fucking love it, man. Bunch of bullshit. See if we get back up there towards that 30,000 area, just kind of retest. Someone says, every time I hold a trade, it crashes, and every time I get out, it rips. True story. That is a very true story sometimes. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. All right, nice little push back up here. We'll see if we can take some profit at this 30,000 level. Lock it in there. I just thought we'd get some kind of like push back up to retest. Right? Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Not going to be greedy here. Don't want to be too greedy on this pushback just because, well, that was the play, right? We were playing into the idea we're going to push back up there. So right there, stuck at the EMA for now, so we'll lock it in there. Like I said, if I would have shorted down here, I would be getting stopped out on a short, so that's why I liked the long. Straight back down again. Are we gonna keep selling? Are we gonna keep selling here? Kind of looking for a short entry now. We pushed back up, tested the bottom of the 15-minute range. Trying this short here to see if we can't move down towards the overnight low area. Overnight low area is 820s, but just popped right back up there. Oh, come on. Hey, Patrick, you look like one of my cousins. Uh-oh. Is your cousin hot? Is your cousin hot? All right, we are short here, looking for a move through the 900s next. Oh, your cousin's gay? Well, that's cool. Because I'm also gay. Gay. All right, we're gonna do it like this. We'll put couple buy. Well, we can go like this actually. Put a couple buys here to get filled, just so we don't get like some crazy reaction back up. Looking to see if we can make new lows through that 900 level. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Not gonna be too greedy here. We are kind of shorting into these lows here, so I want to take some profit as we go. Kind of lock that in, just so that way we're not, you know, giving it back like we did earlier. So we got stop at break even now, and we're gonna see if we can't get down here towards the 800s. We'll kind of trail it a little bit, right? We'll kind of trail it a little bit. Put some orders out like this, and then see what can get hit. Nice little short there, though. We bought the bottom, got the short. I'll take it. K Money just passed an eval with that short. Let's go, K Money. We're right at a pivot point. If we lose this 880 area, I think we kind of move down to this overnight low, which is 830s, 830 area. Let's see what happens, if it can hit or not. Kind of chopping here. I'm gonna take a little bit more off right there. I hate when it like, oh, we only got one left anyway. Only got one contract left. I don't know why I had 5. I thought I had 5 left. All right, well, we got one right there at break even for now, so. Someone in the chat said that every single trade that they enter goes negative right away. I mean, it'd be like that sometimes, honestly. You know, it'd be like that sometimes, honestly. All right, we got stopped out there, break even on that last one, so we'll see what happens. There's a lot of trading. We got long, we got short, we covered the longs down there. So right now, bouncing off of that pivot point 880 area. This might be some bouncy bounce area. Just a big old chop day here now. Nvidia is pushing back up as well. Everything's kind of starting to squeeze back up here. So I feel like I've overtraded this bottom down here now. There's a lot of trades going on down here. Oh man, that's funny. It's kind of a weird spot. Like you could try to get long here for like a pushback into the 15-minute range. You got 2 minutes left on this candle. We're going into that 10:50 to 11 o'clock time frame. Gets a little funky. I don't know. Waiting to see what happens here. Matthew said he's holding a short for a couple minutes. Wow, don't get too crazy now. I think this might push. That little wick right there, what we got? 10 seconds left on this candle. It's kind of like it's playing out like an inverted head and shoulders, right? I'm gonna try a quick little long right here. See if we can't pop back up above 30,000s. Stop is like right below this candle low. Will it bounce? Oh. The moment of truth. Is it going to be an inverted head and shoulders? I'm going to maybe take this a little bit lower. Yeah. Some trouble there. Pulling back again. Oh, my Lord. Try to... As long as this low down here can be held, I think we're fine. But obviously, if we can't hold that low, then downtown we go. We see these play out a lot of times where you kind of get these inverted head and shoulders at the bottom down here, but maybe we go lower first. Maybe swipe that low from earlier, then go back up. Patrick, Tom in the chat said he made $400 trading 1 micro today. Let's fucking go, Tom. Tom Pellegrino in the chat. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Yeah. Trouble. We're probably going to swipe this low and then push back up. We got a pivot point right there at this 900 level, but what happened to your R34? Nothing happened to it. I still have it. Who knows? It's getting worked on. I don't fucking know. Yeah. Trouble here. Trouble. We're going to get probably stopped. Unless they do double bottom here. We're right there at that pivot point, but let's see if we can hold 900s. I'm going to move this stop a little bit. Give it a little bit of room here. Maybe. Terrible idea, maybe. Yeah, never mind. Terrible idea. Straight down, swiping those lows. God damn it. Fucking A, man. Overnight low is where? Overnight low is right here, 830 area. We're going to swipe that for sure now. There's that overnight low area now. Fucking A, what a retard. Classic. Basically trying to predict what is not there, and you can see now paying the price. There goes 820. Yeah, the shorts were clearly the play. Do we get a reversal off this low now? But the trend was clearly down. Why try to get long there? Trying to make something happen out of nothing. PW, that IC, this is not how ICT works. Damn it! Why does the ICT not work? Why does the ICT not work? $100 points straight down there. You gotta love it. Oh, Lord. All we can do is just Yeah, no, it was a bear flag. That was terrible. And stopped out here. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. 5-minute candle straight down there. I can't fucking. La, 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 la. We took out the low now. I mean, if it was gonna reverse, this would be where it would reverse at, but clearly no reversal yet. It'll go lower before reversing, and then yeah, no, that was definitely fighting the trend. That was a lot of trend fighting right there. It happens. It does happen sometimes. You fight the trend and you pay the price. Today we're paying the price. Today we are paying the price. Fuck, man. What are my thoughts right now? Well, it's going lower, so if we're gonna keep on selling, it'd be 672 down there next, maybe. So someone said 29,700 for a long. I don't know. I don't know. That hourly candle right now, huge hourly candle right back down. So the short's absolutely getting paid here today. I think we were just overly a little too bullish here today, huh, chat? I think we're just too bullish today. PW, you're good at trading, but you're early buying or selling. Just wait 3 or 4 minutes. Wait, all I got to do is just wait 3 or 4 minutes? That's all. This whole time I've been just doing it wrong. I've been doing it wrong. If only I would just wait 2 or 3 more minutes per trade, I would make so much more money. I mean, that's easy to say in hindsight, right? So easy to say in hindsight. It is what it is. I mean, there's the good thing about it is there's not really anybody to blame but myself. Obviously, you know, I took the trade. It just didn't work out. So don't fight the trend, basically, is the moral of the story here. Even if you think it's going to be a bullish day or you think whatever, that's the problem. Is like once you start thinking something's going to happen and you're not trading, that's when you get yourself in hot water. Right? It's like instead of just trading what's in front of you, you start trying to figure out like, okay, this is where we're going to be reversing. You know, I was like, look, it's going to be a inverse head and shoulders, and then, well, it wasn't. So that's the problem. You can't try to predict where the market's going. You just got to trade where it is and overall the trend of it. So trade what's in front of you, not what you think is going to happen. Because I mean, same thing here, right? We got up to this high from earlier when we were long, and instead of basically selling, you know, into this resistance, we were like, oh no, we're gonna go to 360, right? Like it's very easy to start being like, well, yeah, I'm not gonna take profit here because I think we're gonna go here. But as you can see, like there's a time and place to take profit at, and well, that was the time and place at previous resistance. I think sometimes I get so like locked in and like stubborn, right? Because of, I don't know. I think there's a couple of different like issues. People think that like the longer that you trade, that you get better and better, but sometimes the longer that you trade, you start to like constantly think like, oh man, I remember that one time the market went higher and I got out, right? Like it's so easy to start like looking back at all the different times that you got out early, or you start to like, oh well, this happened to me the other day, so I think it's gonna happen again, and you start to like basically rationalize taking bad trades or not taking profit or not stopping out because you've had it happen before, right? Where you, the last time that we sold off, we went right back up, so I'm gonna try to get long, and then you're just starting to create reasons to put on a bad trade. I think, is all you can really say. Right? I mean, fuck, I don't know. It's easy to put on bad trades, basically. Fucking A, NASDAQ straight down. God. I don't know. That sucks. Now just kind of chopping around down here. Look at that reversal back up. Yeah, this is probably going to be the bottom now. Maybe. Going into that, see, we swipe those lows now. They're on the hourly chart. I don't know. $29,809, chopping around here. Going into this 1050 candle or 11 o'clock area, I think. We should be some kind of pushback up here. And it's funny because now I'm just I'm doing exactly what I said not to do, right? I think this should be a wick though, right? Is this not going to be the wick off the bottom down here? Ugh, why's it got to be so gay? Why's everything got to be so gay? I mean, fuck. Yeah, straight back up. Straight back down. Nvidia sell right now. NASDAQ selling. We got a pivot point down there next at 669. Just not really much down here. I'm gonna try to like nibble down here. I'm nibbling. Nibble. Try to nibble down here. I really think we should bounce. If you look on the chart right now, this is kind of the spot. You got 5 minutes left on this hourly candle. Not much of a wick on the bottom of it. So oh my God, Tanner Simmons. Tanner Simmons, what happened, man? Tanner in the chat sharing the good and the bad. He said he let this be a lesson, folks. Lucid Live does not have the lockout. Went from $1,000 times 4 accounts, needing $300 more for the 2K bonus, and just blew all the live accounts. Tanner, it does happen, my friend. It does fucking happen. We've all been there. We feel it for you. We feel for you. We feel for you, Tanner. I do appreciate your giving people the good and the bad there. So, shout out to Tanner Simmons, letting y'all know that it ain't always it ain't always profit. Sometimes you do blow your account, but hey, it happens. All right, we're seeing if we get a little pushback up here now into this hourly candle close, right? I'd go for, maybe back up in this 850 area. This is just 5 micros, by the way. 5 micros. Someone said Apple is exploding. Is it exploding? I'm long on Apple. Oh my God. Why is Apple going up so much? Why is Apple going up so much right now? Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Can't get that fucking hourly candle to push out. If this candle closes with another wick on the bottom, I'm going to add there. We got 2 minutes here on this hourly candle closing now. 2 minutes. Kind of getting all bunched up down here now. Last 2 minute candle of this hourly candle now. I think like 850 could be possible, right? Yeah, I mean. There's no, like I said, there wasn't a very big wick on the hourly candle. So I was thinking maybe we get a little bit of a bigger wick back up towards like 830s, right? I mean, got a minute left on this hourly candle. Can it pump? One more pump. One more pump. If we break back above 800, I'm going to add one more contract per account. All right, I'm going to add right there. Okay. I like that. Come on. Give me one more pumpity pump. One more pumpity pump. Get through there. Get through there, Nasty. We need more likes, more likes, more likes. We got D Money coming up at 12 o'clock, by the way. Don't you worry. D Money will be here. D Money in the house. All right, so this is that inverted head and shoulders that we were looking for earlier. I think we just didn't have the right setup for it. So, looks really good right now. I'm gonna maybe put this like right up into here. Apple's pumping to the moon. Need Nvidia. There's that hourly candle close. Hourly candle is now closed. We're right there at that pivot point. We got a decent wick on the hourly candle now, so got to see what happens. This hourly candle just opened, so will there be like kind of a wick down and then push back up into here, up to this 900 level maybe? $15-minute candle looks pretty good for a possible reversal here as well, like back up there towards the 900. So I like it. It's working. Fonjon said, now is where you get long. Well, Fonjon, we're already fucking long, Fonjon. Good. We're already long, Fonjon. Eric said, long live the motherland. PW, you're my hero. What? What motherland are you talking about? What motherland are you talking about, motherfucker? Russia. Russia. Is Russia the motherland? Turtle 1, that's tomorrow. CME closes tomorrow at 12:15. Just kind of holding up down here. We had a brand new hourly candle opened, so see if we can hold these lows for now. Hold these lows and try to push back up through here. Still holding there at the 800s for now. Got to see what happens here. Coming back down here again. Ugh, come on. Yeah, kind of bear flagging on the 5-minute chart now. Shoo. Well, we did it again. 100 points up and still did not take profit there. Oh, we gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes. Classic Patrick. Classic Patrick. Classic Patrick. You just gotta wait 2 or 3 minutes. I know. I was trying to wait 2 or 3 minutes, but it didn't work. Fuck, man. Are you kidding me? The fair value gap did not get hit. Someone said add to your long so that we can short. We need D-Money's box. I mean, I don't think D-Money's box is going to help us at this point. $680s now. I'm going to try to, this is my last ditch effort. See if it's going to get that bounce off. There's a pivot point down here. 670s. That'll be our last ditch effort here. Too early, Patrick. God damn it. Possibly. Well, we tried. We tried. $670s. No support. She's bleeding out now. She's gone. Moral of the story here is, you know, don't be afraid to take profit when you're up fucking 50 points, you fucking idiot. Patrick. Straight down, 650s now. We're going. Just bleeding out right now. Trying to pick the bottom here. Not a good idea, clearly. God damn it. She's gone. 640s now. There's nothing left. Absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Both the ES and the NASDAQ, everything just selling again. Crazy moves here. Apple went to the moon, pulling back now. It's always so funny, you know. You gotta love trading, because the fact is, like, on most days, if I would short here, I'd get stopped out because it would just pop straight back up. And then the day that I try to play the, you know, kind of inverse myself and say, hey, let me try to get long because it's gonna pop back up, that's the day that it just keeps going lower. See, it's fucked. And look, right back up, 620s now. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make it up. It's not even, you just gotta laugh about it sometimes. That's why I think at the end of the day, you really just gotta like have some kind of strategy, and it's just gotta like, that's the only strategy that you trade. You just can't do, you know, like you gotta just pick a strategy, just trade it, bull flags, bear flags. Don't try to fuck around with other bullshit in between. Just trade one thing. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, just get stopped out. Don't try to predict the reversals. Don't try to pick the top. Don't try to pick the bottom. I mean, that's really where, you know, a good trader can win in the market, because like I said, we had multiple times today we were up, you know, 50 points. So if your strategy is simple and you're like, hey, if I'm up 20 points, 30, 40 points, I'm taking profit no matter what, well then you're making money, right? Like that, you're making money. I think a lot of times the biggest problem is when we start to try to like go, oh, well, I'm up 50 points, let me go for 100 points. And then what happens? It doesn't go 100 points. So, not to say that you can't make 100 points, but you got to have a strategy that you're kind of like, that's my strategy, I'm sticking to it no matter what, you know? I'm not going to deviate, right? I'm not going to be like, okay, I'm in a trade, I'm up 100 points, I'm going to hold for 500 points now. Because that's really just not how to make money, right? So, trail your stop more aggressively. Yeah, you're right. I should. I don't know why. I just get like, I think, like I said earlier, it's the problem now is, you know, I want to be right more than I want to make money. And that's like, that's not a good strategy, right? Not, especially not in the NASDAQ, because, well, you're going to be wrong a lot more than you're right. And that's the whole point of like taking profit early, trailing your stops, cutting it off, stopping out at the right time, you know. Tanner said he's noticed that part of his problem is I don't have enough focus to trade multiple account sets. Only one set gets A+ setups, and then the rest is secondary. Yeah, you not wrong. There's plenty of days where I do that as well, right? Where I, you know, I should probably take the profit or whatever it is, and or maybe, you know, I trade one account good at open, get a good trade, and then I end up trying to trade the chop or whatever it is. So you're not wrong, Tanner. You're not wrong. I do agree with you 100%. And look at this, like, just squeezing straight back up now. Stupid. We just gotta wait for two in the chamber. Denny Dollars trades. Denny Dollars. Straight back up now. Gotta love it. You just gotta love it. You used to. What's that mean, Momo? I used to. Oh, hotline bling. Oh, I thought you were saying that. I keep saying I used to. I'm like, what? What did I used to? What? Oh, man. One in the pink, two in the stink. Good strategy. It works sometimes. It works sometimes. Well, fucking A. JBC said, I got a 50% win strategy. It works sometimes. It's true. 50% all the time. I make money 50%, 99% of the time. All right, well, NASDAQ. We got down there to those lows. Probably going to pull back, stop me out, and then go higher. But I'm not going to let it pull all the way back down. Not today, boys. Not today. Let me see. I'm just going to maybe just take it off. Take one off right there. Just keep one here, I guess. Will this be the low of the session, or more bear flagging coming up? Hey, PW, what platform do you use? You already know, son. Tradeovate, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. The biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest, the largest, the biggest, the biggest, the largest, the largest, the biggest, the biggest, the largest. And there it comes. So, yeah. God damn it. NASDAQ pulling back here again. More bear flag action. Are we going downtown like Charlie Brown? All right, I've been trying to go long here this whole fucking morning, so let's try a short now. Try to put the short for now. See if we can make a new low here. Need to make a new low here. It's got to work, right? It's just got to. Now watch it go up. Well, yeah, you're not wrong. God, don't say that, Brogan. What the fuck, man? All right, we've been trying to buy the dip here for the last hour and getting stopped out. We're going to try to short here now, and let's see if this will be the low of day. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, boys. Someone said this is the bottom. Well, god damn it. Why are you telling me that now? Why are you telling me that now, bro? It's a little late. We're fucking short. Terrible time to tell me. If we break through 650, I'm going to add right there. All right, we're going to add there and try to get this momentum through 600s next. Reverse straight back up. Come on, do it, you pussy. Sometimes you just got to talk dirty to her. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Dum City. Back it up, baby. Back it up. Oh god. Dump truck. Reverse. Yep. Oh my god. Oh my baby Jesus. Someone said the music's gay. All right, well, now we're gonna get fucking rock hard, baby. Come on, come on, come on. If we break through 620s, I'm gonna go break even. All right, we're going break even now. Let's see if this is gonna be the play. At least we can't lose now. It's still 10 points. 10 points break even. Oh God. NASDAQ. Why the fucking fuck? Are you? This is God motherfucker. God. God. Okay, cool. Well, if we get back above 680, I'm gonna try another long here. I tried to go short there and got stopped out for 10 points. If it's not a sell, it's a buy. You're right. You're right. You're right. Thinking about maybe getting short, getting long here. She's playing. I'm gonna try the longs. I think we can get like, well, that was 10 points back up already. 10 points, W's. 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 Looking for this. We get sick like right through 680 and go 700 possibly. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. $10 points, W's. There it is, chat. There it is. There it is. There it is. Chat, there it is. Chat, there it is. There it is, chat. There it is. 10 points. There it is. God damn it. You motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. Oh my lord. There it is. There it is. Pulling back again. There it is. Stopped out again. There it is. There. Fuck. There it is. God. He said, I saw you move your stop. No, it wasn't me. I didn't do it. It was not me. I did not move my stop. I did not do it. I did not do it. I think it's gonna go. I'm gonna add right here. YOLO. YOLO, baby. There it is. Hey, that's 10 points. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. No, there it is. Fuck. There it is. All right, there it is, chat. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. That's 40 points. There it is. Okay. Y'all can suck my big black dick. Look at that, chat. Would you just look at it? He's too good. There it is. There it is. There it is! I want W's in the chat. I want W's in the chat. I want W's in the chat. W's. I want W's in the chat. Doubles. W's. That's not enough. I want more W's. More W's. More likes. Come on, guys. We got 974 likes on the stream right now. How the fuck do we not have 1 million likes? How do we not have 1 million likes? Oh my God, not again. Don't do this, don't do it, NASDAQ. Don't fuck, oh my God! Why? Why does it do this to me? Why does it do this to me? Bro. Bro. There it is. There it is. Fuck, man. Oh, God. Yeah, we did hit take profit. I took profit at 714s. That was a break even there, so. It looks like it still wants to go. I'm going to try another long here. I think that was just a market makers taking out my stop loss. Market makers always taking out my stop losses. Oh, that's 10 points. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. That's 20, 30 points. 30 points. There it is. Oh, 40 points. There it is. There it is. I mean, at some point, we're going to push back up here, right? At some point. Question is, when the fuck is that going to happen? You know? When the fuck is that going to happen? Tomorrow when the market's closed. I hope not. I'm moving my stop. 10 points. There it is. 10 points. There it is. Can we just get... I want just one pump. One pump, chat. Give me one pump. Give me one pump, man. One pump, somebody. Oh my God. Not again. I just want one pump. There it is. Just one pump. It's all I need. One pump for me. Everybody, oh my God. God. I'm cooked today, chat. Cooked. Cannot get a fucking pump to save my life. Go short. Maybe. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. You know you pump it up. Don't you know pump it up? This thing wants to pop. I'm just going to try another long here. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm cracked out. I'm cracked out right now, chat. The entertainment is cracking me out. This market is so fucking-taining right now. Isn't it so fucking entertaining? Are you guys not fucking entertained? Is everybody not having a great fucking entertainment? Look at this entertainment right now. It's fucking magical. Goddamn fucking magical. Magical fucking entertainment, man. Fucking magical fucking entertainment here. Watch it dump all the way back down now. Let's go. Entertainment on the fucking, on the regular here, baby. God damn it. This fucking entertainment. You can't, there's nothing out there that'll entertain you as much as watching this fucking bullshit. This fucking bullshit here. We got this pivot point down here. 5-minute candle just pulling back into there. I mean, maybe we're gonna go lower. I don't fucking know. Look at that, straight down now. Oh my God, the entertainment value. I'm out. I'm all in short, chat. We're all in short here. 60 contracts. I want average. Give me 80. This motherfuckers. No way. No fucking way. Now it goes straight back up. Now we're back. Dude, this is, I fucking hate my life. The entertainment. We're entertaining right now. Look at that. They do it on purpose. These motherfuckers. This market is so cooked. Dude, I can't win. This ain't my life. They got me both ways. They got me both fucking ways here, chat. There's no winning here. It's just both fucking ways. Both fucking ways! This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy right now. Stopped out both fucking ways! Insanity. Insanity. It's in fucking sanity, man. In fucking sanity. I go short and they fucking they pop it up. I go long and then they dump it down. You can't make this shit up sometimes. It's a joke. It's a fucking joke, man. I hate my life. I fucking 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 hate my life. Insanity. In fucking sanity, man. Oh, God. It doesn't matter what I do. Just chop, motherfucking fucking chop. Look, now it... Are you fucking kidding me? Now it pops right back up. Oh... You gotta love trading. It's so much fun. Trading is so much fucking fun. Have I ever told you guys that, how much fun I have doing this? It's an obvious long. Yeah, no shit. I got long and then it went down. I got short and then it went back up. Okay, I get it. I get it, chat. I don't know why y'all be telling me it's an obvious. It's obvious. It's fucking obvious. It's fucking obvious. It's obvious fucking bullshit! God, I fucking hate my life. It's shit's rigged. Look at that, right? Fuck! God, I just want to make some money. That's all. That's all I'm trying to do is make a little bit of money. Just a little bit of fucking money. And we can't even do that. We can't even just fucking make a little bit of fucking money. I just want to make a little bit of fucking money, man. Just a little bit of fucking money. Is it that hard? Is it that fucking hard? Is it that fucking hard to make a little bit of fucking money, man? What a fucking bunch of bullshit, man. All right, I'm trying another long. We're going long again. It's gonna pop. It's got to. It's just got to. It's just got to go up. 800s. 800s. Yeah, I hope everybody's fucking entertained right now, okay? Because I'm about to have a goddamn fucking heart attack over here. I'm about to have a... If I die live on YouTube, y'all better hit the fucking like button. You gotta better hit the fucking like button, okay? Y'all better hit the motherfucking like button when I die live on YouTube, because this fucking market... The affirmation should be positive. No, fuck the bad affirmation. I got a little dick. I got no money. I hate my life. This market just fucked me over and over today. Okay? I can't deal with this anymore. I swear to God. Just go. Just pump. Just fucking pump. I don't even care what you do. Just go up, NASDAQ. You fucking pussy ass, bitch ass, motherfucking ass, bitch. Is it 1 or 2 inches? My dick, 3 inches, sir. 3 inches at 100 miles an hour gets the job fucking done. Okay? 800. Fuck you, NASDAQ. Give me 800 or shut the fuck up. Give me 800 or shut the fuck up, NASDAQ. Give me 800 or shut the fuck up! Oh my God. God, motherfucker. Damn it. You're gonna stroke out, dude. Calm down. I hope I die. I hope I just fucking... Trust me, sometimes it'd just be easier, right? It'd just be easier to have a fucking stroke and die. Okay? And then it's just over. And then I don't have to fucking worry about this bullshit anymore. I don't have to worry about fucking making any goddamn fucking money live on YouTube. Motherfucking money. You know, just done. Kill me now. Get it over with. Put a fucking fork in me. Get me out of here. He's cooked. He's absolutely cooked. Look at that. It pushes right up to... It's a goddamn fucking fair value gap, man. There's a goddamn motherfuckers. Who put that fair value gap there? Who put that there? What are we ever gonna do? Ginger said, please don't die. Only reason Ginger don't want me... The only reason that Ginger don't want me to die is because she wants to keep getting paid. See, that's fucked up, Ginger. That's fucked up, Ginger. Ginger don't care about me. She's like, hey, don't die, because if you die, I gotta get a new job. And I'm like, well, that's fucked up, Ginger. That's all she cares about. It's all Ginger cares about. She don't want me to live. Show your new truck. Look, now she's worried about my Pokemon cards. Ginger's worried about my fucking Pokemon cards! My new truck? What about it? It's not that cool, actually. This is my new truck. Look at it. I got the biggest, the largest. That's an F350 Lariat. That's an F350 Lariat, boys. I got the F350 Lariat. Got the 6.7 high output in it. It's gonna be real big, real fast. Yeah, yep. It's looking real good. Look at that thing. It's gonna be real nice. It's gonna be real nice. We're gonna put some black wheels on there. We're gonna put a little lift kit on it. Put a new bumper on it. Put some stuff on the back here. Oh buddy, oh buddy, oh buddy. She's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. That's a real nice truck right there, boys. That's a real nice. All right, right now NASDAQ pushing up. We got a fair value gap right here. I don't know. What do we do? Hey, I bought it brand new. Profit scalper. Someone's making fun of my rims. It's brand new. I bought it from the dealership, you fucking idiot. You don't fucking, God! This guy. Where's your rims at? Where's your fucking rims at? It's brand new. I haven't put the fuck. damn it, man. I swear to God, I can't deal with this no more. Oh, NASDAQ pushing up again. God, it's ugly. Well, it's not a sports car, you fucking idiot. Some guy said the truck's ugly. It's a work truck. It's a fucking work truck. What in the fuck is... it's not a fucking sports car. God, motherfucking damn it. Cheapest color in the market? What the fuck are you talking? People are retarded. That is not the cheapest color in the market. That's marsh gray. Everybody, that's like the hot color right now. That's like the hot color. PW, what's the best deal going on right now, July 4th? Well, Tradeify is 40% off. Take Profit Traders 40% off. Lucid's 30% off if you've already used your code. Warbucks is 50% off. So, yeah, it's gonna get... Color is kind of trash. Hey, the next person who says the color's trash, you're getting banned for life. Good job, Chris. Gone. Get out of here. Don't ever come back. Who else wants it? It's a truck. Why are y'all worried about the color, you fucking idiots? Oh my God. What the color's trash. I don't like the color, Patrick. Well, who the fuck asked you? Who in the fuck asked you? Nobody. At what point it was like, hey guys, do you like the color of my new work truck? Do you like it? Is it appropriate? Do you prefer it? God, what's wrong with the world? Take your opinions and shove them up your fucking ass. How about that? Yeah, it's gonna get wrapped anyway. God damn it, who cares? God. It's gonna get wrapped any fucking way. God motherfucking damn it. It's a $100,000 truck, okay? I don't know what to tell you, okay? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Look, I got a helicopter, okay? What, you gonna hate on my color of my helicopter now? You gonna hate on my black helicopter? Are you racist? Do you hate black helicopters, chat? Does the chat hate black helicopters? You guys hate black, yeah, black helicopters matter, okay? That's what I'm talking about. Black fucking helicopters matter. All right, get on my fucking level. What, you ain't got a helicopter and a trophy truck? Get on my level. Get on my level. I got a black Rolls Royce. Yeah, black cars matter, okay? Look, I got a fucking Raptor. A Raptor. I got it all. I got it all. Look at this. This is my rigs. My rigs in Mexico. We got the Raptor. Right, look at that. Raptor. Look at that 450. 450. Oh, we got the trophy truck. Look at him. Just look at him, why don't you? Just look at him. Is that an R44? You think my helicopter's an R4? What the motherfucker? You think that looks like an R44, sir? Clearly you don't know nothing about helicopters. Does that look like an R44 to you? Does that look like an R44 to you? What are you talking about, sir? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? That don't know R44, sir. That's a goddamn A-star. That's a goddamn A-star, sir. That's an A-star. That's a goddamn A-star. Look at that thing. See you later. See you later. Everybody asking about the Oliver Tree thing. Like, guys, how many people die per day? Let's look it up. How many people die? How many people die in car crashes per day? Let's see. That's so. So 44,000 people in 2023. 44,000 people died in motor vehicle crashes in the United States. That's 120 people killed in crashes every single day, right? Every single day. That's 120 people crashed. So if you look up how many people die in helicopters a year. So each year it says 13 to 30 fatal crashes each year. But that's like worldwide too, okay? That's that's the United States. Never mind. We're fucked. Oh God, I'm selling the helicopter. I'm selling the helicopter. Hey, look at that. NASDAQ right back down again. You gotta love it. The fair value gap did not hold, guys. What happened to the fair value gap? Why did the fair value gap not hold there? What am I doing wrong with this ICT stuff? Clearly, look at that. The fair value gap did not hold. You know, what happened to my fair value gap here? Why did the fair value gap not hold? Why did it not hold? Well, I'm confused. I thought the fair value gap always holds. Hourly candle needs to turn green for the fair value gap. Well, I don't know about all. That's a big push. That's about 100 points back up to turn green there. We got D Money coming up here in 14 minutes, by the way. 14 minutes. Trouble here on the NASDAQ. Trouble. Well. Luckily for me, it's time for me to get off, and D-Money can come fuck around with this bullshit. I can go get high and just look at the fucking desert for the rest of the day and then not have to deal with it. It is not, guys, I'm not gonna lie. When I turn this shit off, I'm turning it off. I ain't gonna, no, actually, fuck. I gotta trade tomorrow morning. God damn it. Oh my God, we're fucked. No, I'm gonna live stream tomorrow morning. I gave D-Money the day off tomorrow, so. I'm so nice, you know. I gave D-Money the day off. You know, I called D-Money and said, hey man, you get the day off tomorrow, okay? I'll take care of it. Yeah, I'm gonna trade tomorrow. The market's closed, but it stops trading at like 12. So like, what is that, 1 o'clock Eastern or whatever, so. Stock market's closed, but futures will be trading tomorrow. Oh, man. Going into the 12 o'clock candle here on the hourly. Will we start to sell back down here? It's looking bearish. If they lose this 720 area, I think we do sell down, but as of right now, just kind of shopping around down here. 15-minute candle got a big wick on top. The sells have clearly been the fucking play today, so trying to buy the bottom was not the play. I don't know if you've noticed that. We tried to buy the bottom multiple times and we did not get paid. Awkward. Does the futures usually not move much when the market is closed due to holiday? Yeah, it probably won't be that good, honestly. I mean, I don't have many high hopes, to be honest. My hopes for tomorrow are low, but you know, we'll see. You never know. You never know. No hopes, no praise. All right, so NASDAQ not looking very hot here. Hourly candle still just cannot get back up. Maybe we're going lower into this 12 o'clock candle. Maybe. There she goes. Down there to 680s now. We lost 720s. That was, I don't want to say I told you so, but I mean, that was kind of the bear flag set up there, right? Breaking to the downside. So we got this pivot point right here, 670. If they're going to bounce it there again, possibly. You never know. We got 10 minutes until 12 o'clock candles. We got a lot of fair value gaps up there. Oh my God, look at all those fair value gaps. Look at all those fair value gaps, sir. Someone said NQ is tanking. The NQ is not, it's tanking. Still dumping, still pulling back. I mean, not dumping, but pulling back. I think we'll go for those lows down there. Probability is high. Still going lower, just could not get back up. So as you can see, the play is clearly down. We had a little bit of a double top there, 29,800. We got D Money coming up here in about 7 minutes. So shout out to D Money. Good luck with this bullshit, D Money. We just dumped 600 points. Yeah, I mean, still going lower. Look at this. Crazy. I'm in, yeah, no, I guess, yeah, I don't know. Fucking interesting, right? Quite the move down here. Quite the move down. Quite the fucking move down. Quite the move down there. Well, if you guys enjoyed today's show, well, if you enjoyed it, you enjoyed it. Me, on the other hand, I don't know how I felt about today. It was just, yeah, I don't know. It's hard sometimes. You know, it's just, it's the biggest problem on a day like today for me is that, you know, I keep trying to think that we're going to get a reversal, you know, off these lows, and it's easy to kind of keep looking for longs, and, you know, you're just keep fighting it, right? You just like, you keep fighting it, and before you know it, you've blown your account. So PW, was your P&L that bad? No, I mean, it wasn't that bad. We're only trading micros, so it's not like we didn't lose. It wasn't like a big terrible day for us. It was just, I felt like I felt like I had a lot of good trades today, but just got too greedy, you know, because I kept looking for more. It was like every time we pushed back up, you know, we were up 30, 40 points. And instead of taking profit, I got greedy because I was like, oh, well, we're going to push, you know, we're going to push higher. Oh, you know, I kept kind of, you know, kind of kept fucking with it. So it just kind of is what it is, you know. Yeah, the shorts would have printed. Yeah, you're not wrong. That would have been the play. So coulda, shoulda, woulda. Obviously, it's in, you know, in hindsight. We took a long. We made money in the Warbucks account. That's right. Warbucks right now is 50% off. We traded Warbucks earlier. You can see here. We did traded Nvidia today. Made $600 on just one trade. So, you know, we had some good trades. But, you know, by all means, we had some good trades. We just needed to. Cave Johnson says, dude, you lost so much today trying to catch the reversal. I mean, I don't remember losing so much, but whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you for your support, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it just, I don't know. You can see, like, even this 5-minute chart, like, you know, it's like, obviously it did go lower, but it wasn't like, it was just kind of funky. So 29,600 is the low of days so far. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. People always like get mad if I don't, you know, have if every trade that I take is not perfect. We had plenty of trades today that we made money on, so, well, you know, I don't know what you want from me. So there it is. D-Money coming up in 2 minutes. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go, and I got some stuff to do today. Got some meetings and just all that fun stuff. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Blow it up. Hit that like button. Check out D-Money. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. To do it all over again for a holiday. It's a fresh cash holiday. So, yeah, I don't know. Everybody always, why, Patrick? Why? I mean, I can't predict the market. All I can do is just try to trade it. Sometimes it's easy, you know? Other times, not so easy. So, that's it. That's all I got. I'll see you guys later on. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow morning. We're doing it Friday. I know the market's closed, but NASDAQ will be trading for a little bit, so we'll see what happens. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button. Peace to the Middle East.